Hey everybody, my name's Chastity. I'm an AmeriCorps service member at Jefferson Memorial Forest, and today we're going to show you how to make some simple bird feeders out of some stuff you have lying around the house. So we have some cardboard cutouts into shapes and a toilet paper roll. And this is my helper Annabelle. Sorry, I forgot to introduce her. Okay, so you're going to need the cardboard, the bird seed, some peanut butter, a hole punch, and scissors to cut your string. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is punch a hole in the top of our cardboard piece. And then we're going to put that string through there. Okay, and then we'll tie it in a knot. Alright, and now Miss Annabelle is going to load it up with peanut butter. Just want to spread it on there. You don't want it to be too thin, but probably not too thick either. Get you some more peanut butter on there. Try not to get it on your string.
Done with the peanut butter part.
Get you some more and do the top part right here. Just a little bit more.
Just get this.
And
you want to make sure you get like the whole heart. And on the other side.
Get a big scoop.
Big.
There you go. Looking good.
Let's just get it all around the sides and the edges and everything.
A little bit more, I think.
I got a really
should be
peanut
good.
buttery thumb.
Yeah, it's a little bit messy.
Yeah,
That's okay.
way messy. Just need a little more. Okay, my thumb is gonna be
Get it all up there.
all up here and up there and there.
Alright, now show them what you do next.
And
After you got it covered,
after you got it covered, you just tink, a tink, a tink, a tink. Look at all that bird seed.
flip it
And
over.
then you do the same thing with the other side. I think we can just get a little more bird seed. Just get it all around. Yeah, that's
Alright, now
good.
hold it up so they can see what it looks like.
And this is what you were trying to make.
The birds will love it.
And that's how you make a cardboard shaped bird feeder.
Okay, and real quick, I'll show you how to make one with a toilet paper roll. Really simple. You want to punch a hole on the opposite sides at the bottom, and same thing at the top. Okay. And then one set of the holes you're going to feed your string through. Tie it in a knot. And you're going to take your peanut butter again. Spread it around. All the way down to right above those holes at the bottom. Okay. Oops, a little too low. Okay, after you got that covered, let's do that real quick. I'm going to take it and roll it in the bird seed. Sprinkle some on there, get extra.
Just get some
Yeah.
everywhere.
And then our holes in the bottom, you can just take a stick and stick it right through there. Now the birds will have a little perch. And there you have it.
There you
So
go.
we hope you try this at home and have a great day.
Mhm.